We topic for today now, habits that must die with 2025. What should we change? You might wake up 6 o'clock in the morning, but then you dey play phone for 1 hour. You should kill that habit. It's not about waking up early, making new promises. It's about killing bad habits. Maybe this person they think about you, say, I want to give this person an opportunity. But we don't talk and say, hey, this is in the late today. You don't feel like that to paint a bad picture for you. Always needed for the wait for. Always needed for the grumble. Waiting for perfection. I was talking to someone. I said the reason why a lot of things you haven't done is because you want it to be perfect. The fact that we are waiting for perfection, it postpone destinies. Inside 2026, I will have businesses. Inside 2026, I go open shops. Inside 2026, I go be consistent in posting daily. Inside 2026, I'll come to work early. Inside 2026, we don't make a lot of lists, but would you be consistent?